Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Coding Professor. Today we will like to study about built-in function frame and commands in Python. Right? So this is the definition of print function. So it is all about used to display output, helps program communicate with the user. Right? So this is the example of print function. Right? So this is the feature of print function. So multiple values, custom of separator, and and custom and skip sequences, formatted output, F string, right? So now we will so print hello world, right? So we will run this program. We will get hello world. So this is all about the print, right? So now we have comments. So it is all about text ignored by Python and used to explain code and help in debugging and collaboration. Comments are not functions or commands. We call comment just comments, not function. Right? So this is the syntax of function. Right? So these are the types of comments: single line comment, inline comment, multi-line comment. We call it as a doc string style. Right? So this is the example of multi-line comment. So first of all, we will do comment. So we can represent comment with the hashtag. So we can write this is the hello world, right? Hello world. So this is the single line comment. These are the multi-line comment. We can just multi-line comments. So we will use three double quotation mark. So this is the book of Python, right? So this is the lecture of Python. So these are the multi-line comment, right? So we will use triple quotation mark, right? Then we will run, but we will not see that output, right? This is the multi-line comment. So best practices for comments: be clear and concise. Don't state the obvious, right? So these are the so this is a real world example of input from user, right? It will take the input from the user. So suppose we have name equal to input, enter the name, right? Then we will use what print function, and then we will use uh, welcome to my YouTube channel, right? I will write my name, Jalwan, right? Sorry, name, right? So we will run this program. So I will put the name, right? Enter you welcome to my YouTube channel, right? So thank you very much.